So I just got a package from Mandawi Foam, one of the essentials for my work from home. Yeah, this is a chair. Okay, so help me unbox the Michel high back office chair from Mandawi Foam. Okay guys, so this is the gray black color. Okay guys, so this is my office chairs from Mandawi Foam. So it's time for the unboxing of this. Oh. Okay. This is yung part na upuan made from wood materials. Tabi kita. Then the arms, the armrest. Then this is the back. Ooh, very good material from Mandawi Foam. Wow. By the way, I choose this because it's a mesh type and my workstation is not air conditioned. That's why I'm choosing a mesh type chair. It's just adjustable. Made of good quality materials. Hopefully it will last and it can support. Yes. Okay. It's the armrest number 2, made of solid plastic. Yes. Hard plastic. This might be the accessories, the bolts. I just open this later. And the most exciting part of the chair, it's the base. It's very solid. It's the tilt mechanism, the up and down. It's all here. So yeah. Next is the base. Yeah. This is a 5-leg base. Ooh. I don't see a solid material, so maybe it's here, or maybe this is just the wheels. Few bolts, the base. And the wheels, but I don't see any manual. Okay, so how can I proceed without a manual? Okay, so this is a very solid piece of material. It's yet to be installed. So I'll just figure it out, then I will show you how to build this. Okay, there are 5 wheels, very easy to install, and it's a plastic. Very smooth wheels. So first I need to install the wheels. Just plug and play. That's 4 out of 5. We are almost done. Yeah, so base is already installed. So I'll just figure it out how I can fix this. Yes. Yeah, very good base. Solid, rock solid. So for this, there is no manual. And how, this might be here. Oh, it perfectly fits. So just like that. Yes. So first part is already done. So next, maybe we should mount this first to the main chair. Whoa! Very good chair. Very huge. Very good chair. So I'll just figure it out how to mount this, then I'll show you the finished product. Okay guys, this is I have 3 set type of screw here, by 5, by 4 and by 8. So first we need to mount the base plate. This is the back portion, which the backrest mount. So I expect this shorter length would be the back. That's it. Then it's directly mounted to the 4 screw, the short. By the way guys, sale Mandawi foam is still on sale, so the price of this chair is very cheap right now. So for this will go to the side. So that's why it needs a longer screw. I prefer this office chair compared to a gaming chair because gaming chair I don't have the option for a mesh type. Although there are a lot, but it's still very expensive for a gaming chair purchase. So guys, so I ordered this online, then for a week I already pick it up at the branch. So very convenient for Mandawi phone to have online order. So I'll just finish this mounting, then we can proceed. After installing all the protection, so we need to install the chair. Check it out. Wow. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Whew. Very nice chair. Whoa. Yes. Ooh. Smooth as butter. Alright, so let's continue mounting the arms. Right, so we're halfway there, guys. We're halfway there. Just gonna get the final piece. So finally, we're gonna install this backrest. Hey, hey, for the final piece of the puzzle. What? Just gonna tight one bolt for this and we are good to go. this is mounted by a 3-bolt, so Allen screw is already included in the package, so you don't have to purchase any tools. Yes. Okay, it also includes a backrest that is, I think, adjustable. So guys, this is the Michel high back office chair from Mandawi Foam. Very happy with the purchase. Yeah, it's a very stable chair. I just need to fix another, maybe this at the back, finalize, but it's very stable, very comfortable. Woo! Yeah. This is our back feature for this. Lock. Up, down, and forward, backward. You can also tilt. This is the Michel high back chair. Okay, so if you like this video and you want to purchase this, you order through Mandawi Foam, which is having their sale with 25% off. So normally this is a 6,000 chair, but I got this for 4,700. So hopefully, yeah. So enjoy your work from home and always purchase a good quality chair. Thank you. Bye. Woo. Wow.